Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents using UAE Pass. This secure method allows you to apply a legally binding digital signature to your important papers from anywhere. It's incredibly convenient, saving you trips and valuable time, as it holds the same legal weight as a traditional signature. Plus, it significantly streamlines administrative processes for both personal and professional use, making your life much easier. Before you begin, ensure your UAE Pass account is fully active and your identity is verified. You will also need to have the UAE Pass application downloaded and installed on your mobile phone or tablet. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth and uninterrupted signing experience. These simple preparations guarantee that you can sign your documents without any hassle. To start, open the document you wish to sign using your preferred application or web browser. Look for the Sign with UAE Pass option, which is usually quite prominent. You will then be automatically redirected to your UAE Pass application to authenticate your request. Finally, review the document details carefully and complete the signing by entering your secure 6-digit PIN. Once you have successfully signed, the document will instantly include a digital certificate, confirming its authenticity and integrity. You can then easily download this signed document or share it directly with others as needed. This efficient process not only saves a considerable amount of paper, but also significantly simplifies your administrative tasks, offering a modern solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.